Learning English. Cleaning the toilet. Welcome to our English language learning video on cleaning the toilet. In this lesson, we will focus on essential vocabulary and phrases related to this household chore. By the end of this video, you will be equipped with the necessary English skills to confidently discuss and perform toilet cleaning tasks. Let's get started. Before we dive into the specifics of cleaning the toilet, let's review some important vocabulary related to the bathroom. 1. Toilet. The fixture used for urination and defecation. 2. Toilet bowl. The part of the toilet that holds water and waste. 3. Toilet seat. The hinged seat on top of the toilet bowl. 4. Toilet brush. A brush used for cleaning the toilet bowl. 5. Toilet paper. The soft paper used for personal hygiene after using the toilet. Understanding these terms will help us better navigate the topic of cleaning the toilet. Before you begin cleaning the toilet, it's essential to gather the necessary supplies. Here's what you'll need. 1. Rubber gloves. Protect your hands from germs and chemicals. 2. Toilet brush. Use a dedicated brush solely for cleaning the toilet. 3. Toilet cleaner. Choose a disinfecting cleaner suitable for toilets. 4. Toilet paper. Keep extra rolls nearby for easy access. 5. Cleaning cloth. Use a cloth specifically designated for bathroom cleaning. Having these supplies readily available will make the cleaning process more efficient and effective. Now that we have our supplies ready, let's walk through the step-by-step process of cleaning the toilet. 1. Put on rubber gloves. Start by putting on your rubber gloves to protect your hands. 2. Apply toilet cleaner. Squeeze the toilet cleaner around the inside of the toilet bowl, covering the entire surface. 3. Scrub the toilet bowl. Take the toilet brush and scrub the inside of the toilet bowl thoroughly, paying extra attention to the areas with stains or buildup. 4. Clean the toilet seat and exterior. Wipe down the toilet seat and the exterior of the toilet with a cleaning cloth dampened with a disinfectant cleaner. 5. Flush the toilet. Once you've finished cleaning, flush the toilet to rinse away the cleaner and any residue. 6. Dispose of gloves and wash hands. Carefully remove your gloves, disposing of them properly, and wash your hands with soap and water. Following these steps will ensure that your toilet is clean and hygienic. Congratulations! You have learned the essential English vocabulary and phrases necessary for cleaning the toilet. Remember to gather your supplies, follow the step-by-step process, and maintain good hygiene practices throughout. We hope this video has been helpful in improving your English language skills and increasing your confidence in discussing household chores. Stay tuned for more English language learning videos, and happy cleaning!